and figure out what I want to do to the master bedroom. So let me give you the backstory. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to a day in the life of Tara. Everything women 50 and beyond, between fashion, beauty, skin, self-care, you name it, anything women 50 and beyond, we are back doing now. I am hot. I am sweaty. I am seriously tired. So with that being said, there's a bunch of shoes here on the floor that's left because these shelves here needs to be put up. I gave away a lot of shoes that I don't wear. I didn't sell them because they wasn't worth selling, if you ask me. A lot of people say you shouldn't give away shoes. I had them for so long, they was given to me, why not? Paid forward. Somebody loved them, they came and got them. So with that being said, let me give you, if you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. I am back to doing fashion, everything women 50 and beyond, from the fashion, beauty, self-care, skincare. That's the number one. Right now mine's look oily because if you watch the beginning of the video, I've been cleaning, switching up, blah blah. So do me a favor before I get into the video, comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification, that way you'll be notified each and every time that your girl is uploading. Now, this room used to be my master bedroom. I will show you a picture of it.